Points today, consumers are asking if they should be worried about their retirement accounts and household budgets.
6 News reporter Juliana Jackson spoke with experts on what this economic uncertainty means for people's wallets and what steps should be taken right now. JJ?
Wall Street saw its biggest drop in months as investors reacted to expanded tariff plans. Behind the numbers is a simple question. What does this mean for your family's finances?
What is a tariff? It's pretty well established economically. Tariffs are taxes.
Despite some claims that foreign countries will pay these tariffs, economists are clear the costs are passed on to American businesses and consumers.
I've heard people saying it's the government of Mexico or the government of China that's going to pay this, and that's not how it works. Well, when they hit customs, there's a tax due. Who pays that? Well, the business owner does.
The car industry could be hit hard by these new tariffs. Vehicles often have parts manufactured in multiple countries.
So then you ship the parts down to Mexico or up to Canada. Now, Mexico has a tariff on those parts. They go into a car, they're made there. The car is then shipped back to the United States, and we hit it with another tariff.
It's not just higher prices that's concerning for many. It's the uncertainty tariffs create.
Because if you don't know what the part is going to cost before you put it into the vehicle, then you don't know what you're going to charge for the vehicle at the marketplace. And not knowing is the enemy of business growth.
That uncertainty is what sent markets tumbling.
One thing that markets ultimately dislike is uncertainty.
Markets have been on a steady climb for a few years, making this drop feel dramatic.
But markets go up, 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 up. The history of the stock market is it is a volatile investment. It does go up and down, but over long periods of time, if markets historically have very, very nice rates of return.
Tariffs, market swings, and economic uncertainty have a lot of Texans wondering what this means for their wallet.
If you're a younger person and you have some extra money and this isn't something you're going to need in the next 6 or 8 months or a year, then definitely it probably is a good time to be thinking about investing in.
So what should everyday Americans do right now? Both experts say focus on what people can control.
What we can control over is our budget. How much are we spending? Are we saving more than we're making? Are we putting aside the money that we need for that time period when we are going to be an older person and we won't have income?
A lot of great advice there, but the best protection against economic uncertainty isn't panic buying or selling. It's building a solid financial foundation through manageable debt, savings, and investments. I definitely learned a lot today.
Honestly, it's like an economic crash course that's happening right now. All right, thanks so much, JJ.